Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how to restore database in PostgresSQL server, right? So as usual the agenda would be understanding various techniques to restore PostgresSQL database and then live demo in restoring PostgresSQL database. So we will be actually basically restoring the DVD rental sample database. So if we are going to follow my videos on PostgreSQL server, then after this video I'm going to use the same DVD rental database as a sample database to write the queries or maybe for that development part of an PostgreSQL server. Okay. So PostgreSQL database restore, basically .tar files are generated, right? Or you can create a backup file from PostgreSQL server itself. There are currently two ways available in restoring the database. One is with the command line utility pg restore, right? Where you can actually restore the full backup and only template with section clause, and another one is with UI, that is from the user interface from the PG admin. Okay, so there are these are two different ways where through which we can actually restore the database. So so let us see something in action. So now, very first of all, as I told you that please restore DVD rental so that it would be useful, to do some exercise and so on. So how to find this sample database? So on your browser, type Postgres sample database, right? Click on the first official link. Once you are in, it will provide you this DVD rental sample database. It will also provide you the ER diagram and what are the database objects currently present into this DVD rental and so on, right? And the description of each table. And at the end, you will see download DVD rental sample database. So as soon as you click here, your DVD rental zip file, sample database zip file would get downloaded. Under that zip file, you will have this DVD rental .tar. I'm not clicking here because I have already downloaded this file, and you can see here this DVD rental .tar. Okay, and we would be using the same file to restore the databases. Okay. So now let me open the PG admin. So you can see here I have created three different databases. One is DVD rental UI, and DVD rental only schema. Okay. And as I told you, there are currently three different ways. So this DVD rental tar file we would be restoring into three different databases. So let me show you first how to do that from the UI, which is very simple. So right click on the database, okay, and click on restore. This is a custom or tar, and then you can browse through your uh, C drive or D drive, wherever your file is located. So my file is located in this Postgres database. You need to click all files and then click on DVD rental tar, right? And then just click on the restore button, and within seconds, right, successfully completed. Okay, so this has been restored very successfully. You can right click or expand the DVD rental UI database, go to the schemas and go to the tables, and you should see your tables, right click on this. Let us create one script, select script and execute that. So once I execute this, you can see the data here. Okay, so this was one way of restoring the database through UI, which is very simple. As you have seen, just we want a proper backup file from PostgreSQL server, or if the resource is any different from Postgres, then a proper tar file. Okay, tar file. So now let us see how to do this from command prompt. Let me open the command prompt here for you guys. Okay, give me a second. Yep. So this is a command prompt. PG restore. We need to actually go to that directory, or you can add that part to your environment variables on your system. I have not added, so I'm going to that. directory itself, right? Give me a second. My version is 14, you can see here. And then we need to go to the bin folder, and here you can see various files, right? So let us check dir pgrestore.exe. So you can, that is pgrestore.exe. Okay, you can, oops, use this for you screen so that you can see the files. Okay. Here pg restore. Okay, so you can see here pgrestore.exe is there. Okay, now we want to let us first restore the full database, right? That is with schema and data both. So we would be doing this into this DVD rental. I have already created the pg restore command for that. I would surely let you know. So you can see here this pg restore command is I'm using pg restore.exe. Then you need to provide a db name on what database you want to actually restore. So I have no, we have specified dvd rental. Then this is the username. Now this is very important, guys. Whatever username you are actually using, please ensure that you know the password for that. Okay, otherwise it would be very difficult and your database would not get restored. And then with the help of verbose clause you need to specify the path. So on this path, okay, now I think this path is wrong. Let me choose another path. Okay, give me a second. Okay, now this is the path dvd rental dot tar. Okay, so as soon as I would enter this, it will ask for a password, and that's it. This has been restored, right? So now if you will go back and if you will expand this DVD rental, again go to the schemas and go to the tables, and then let us create a script for the select statement, and let us see whether we have got a data or not. And once I execute this, you can see we have a data, right? So with this we have also actually restored the DVD rental database with the help of PG Restore. Now, one thing is to notice here is that if you can see here, I never provided the password. You can surely provide the password, but then it would be visible, right? So it is always the best practice that you don't provide a password and it will automatically ask for the password where no one can see whatever you are typing. Okay. Now let us see how to restore the command, how to restore the database only template, that is only schema, and we would actually exclude the data. Now why this is actually needed, see, whenever sometimes it may be possible that you will have to create a template database, a template type of database. So in that case, this is very helpful that you just restore the schema and not a data. So we are using this database DVD rental only schema. So if we expand, then you can see currently we don't have anything, no tables into this. Okay, let us go back to the command prompt, and I already have this command here again. So the same thing, pgrestore.exe, db name. Here we have changed the name as DVD rental only schema username, and this is important clause called as a section is equal to pre-data. You need to specify section is equal to pre-data so that it will not actually restore the data. It will only restore or create a schema for us, and then path where your DVD rental.r is located. So just press enter, provide a password, and that's it. This is done. You can see here And now if I refresh this, you can see table here, and as usual let us create a select script here, and if I execute this, then you can see there is no data here, right? Okay, so this is no data, which means we have created basically the database, right? We have restored the database, but without data. We have just restored a schema only. Okay, so this was in this way, you can restore the database in different ways on into your PostgresSQL server. So do as much as practice you can. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please press the like button. Please, subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload the videos, you will keep getting a notification and you will not lose or miss anything. Meet you next time with next good topic. Till then, bye. Take care.